Hi, this is Joe Jackson with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Today I'm on board a previously enjoyed 2024 Cruisers 42 Cantius. I'm going to take you on a walkthrough. At the very back, I'm standing on a hydraulic swim platform. It's got a ladder back here. You've got an L-shaped seat here. You got the table. You got the cockpit liner here. And then on this side we have a ice maker. It's got a power awning above here that comes out, and then he added 2 backup cameras on this boat as well. So now I'm inside the salon. As you walk in, you've got your drapes, you got your stainless steel door here. It opens up, so when you're entertaining, you've got this whole area now that you can entertain with. You got an L-shaped seat here with storage, stereo and air conditioning controls here. Galley over here on this side. Now I'm at the helm of the 42 Cantius. You got dual Garmin screens. You've got your stereo controls, compass, charging station, spotlight. Then over here on the far right, you got your digital throttles, your trim tabs, and then right behind it, your IPS joystick. So very easy to handle, docking maneuverability. This boat, we added skyhook mode to it as well, so it will hold the boat in place, which is what we're doing here right now. I'm up in the master now of the 42 Cantius. You got nice natural lighting, drawer space down below, closets on each side. Second stateroom, you have a nice double bed here. You've got a couch as well, and then tons of storage area. You got a TV, and then a really nice feature here is your shore power panel. So your MDP panel here, you can get to really easy. You can see what's going on. You can see everything's lit up. Now I'm up on the bow of the 42 Cantius. Up here you can see how large it is. Nice big sunning area here. You do have a pop-up table in the center. A nice thing in the middle of the summer is it's got an awning system, so you can put the poles in there and down here. You have a nice little awning if you want to lay up here, read a book. Really nice when you walk back on both sides. You've got tall rails and then nice handrail on top of the hardtop on each side as well. And that concludes our walkthrough of the 2024 Cruisers 42 Cantius. You can contact us at MarineMax.com or 910-256-8100 at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Thank you.